Why do I call this part 19A? Is simply because in previous videos I had seen people leaving comments about if all of this could be possible on Windows 7 and the latest OS as well. So yes, I mean almost everything which I'm showing out here, apart from the specific vulnerability I use, can be replicated across different Windows operating systems, even in the latest one. So if you remember a previous video, I had shown you how to use browser autopon to go ahead and do client-side attacks, right? And now I have broken into this computer, and if we do a quick get UID, I'm security tube, and if I do a little sysinfo, you would actually see that this is Windows 7. Actually, this is the Windows 7 Professional Edition. Now, all I'm going to do is very quickly just demo the same thing. I have already added the MPR extension here inside Railgun, right? So this is exactly what you had seen in the previous video. I have one function wnet-get-user, and all I'm going to do is just apply this here from the IRB session. So you have client.railgun, and if you do a quick methods, you could go ahead and do the known DLL names here as well, just to double check that it's been loaded. So you have known DLL names, go back here, and if you notice, MPR has been loaded, and now all we have to do is call the appropriate API. So we have MPR, and then we have net get user. This goes with nil, size buffer 50, and there you go. If you notice, the current user is security tube, just what we got using get UID. So basically the reason I repeated is the same thing, exact what I've shown with Railgun and all the other things before are possible on Windows 7 as well. So no worries, this is not like a Windows XP only kind of SMFE courseware, right? So enjoy it. If there are any specific demos which don't run, let me know. Windows 7 has something called UAC, which we'll look at in a later video, and how to bypass it using a post-exploitation script called bypass UAC. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.